welcome to WWP Genetics. We're thrilled to have you join us for another engaging and informative video. Today we will be discussing seeds, the silent architects of life on Earth. Long before the rise of civilization, before stone tools were carved or fire was harvested, the seed existed. Seeds are the original architects of life, holding within their tiny forms the complete blueprint for new plants, new ecosystems, and new cycles of existence. Everything we know and everything that grows under the sun began with a seed. Seeds have been nature's chosen method for the continuation of plant species for hundreds of millions of years, enabling life to spread, adapt, and flourish across vast different environments. It was the moment in early humans that they understood the power of planting and harvesting seeds. And this is what sparked the agricultural revolution. And this transformed scattered tribes of foragers into complex societies. This shift laid the foundation for permanent settlements, for the development of trade, and for modern human civilization. The seed was and remains the beginning of everything. A seed is far more than just the origin of a plant. It is a compact, highly sophisticated package designed for survival. Inside its shell lies an embryonic plant surrounded by nutritional tissue and a tough outer coating that protects it from the elements. These adaptations allow seeds to remain dormant for long periods, sometimes decades or even centuries. Some seeds, for example, the date palm seed, has been known to be dormant for thousands of years and still been able to be germinated. Seeds' durability is a testament to nature's foresight, ensuring the continuity of plant life through droughts, fires, floods, and freezes. The survival strategy has allowed plants to colonize nearly every terrestrial environment. For example, deserts, mountaintops, freezing areas, or different types of ecosystems. You can actually say they are rooted in seeds. Seeds come in an astonishing variety, and each kind tells a different story of ecological adaptation and cultural significance. Consider the coconut, a seed so large and buoyant that it can float across oceans, allowing palm trees to populate tropical coastlands across the globe. Or think of the dandelion seed, a tiny feathered speck carried on the wind, designed for long-distance travel and rapid colonization of open spaces. Edible seeds form the foundation of human diets, from grains like wheat, rice, and corn to legumes such as beans, lentils, and peas. Each of these seeds have been cultivated, selectively bred for flavor, resilience, and yield, feeding billions and shaping culinary traditions across continents. Fruits like apples, oranges, and avocados carry their seeds within fleshy pulp, enticing animals to eat them and scatter the seeds far and wide. Vegetables like tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers are also seed-bearing, contributing both to our nutrition and the natural cycles of reproduction in gardens and on farms. Now let's look inside a cannabis seed. The DNA in these seeds are packed into chromosomes, Chromosomes are long strands of genetic material. Cannabis plants usually have around 20 chromosomes, which hold genes responsible for things like how tall the plant will grow, the shape and color of its leaves, and the cannabinoids it will produce. Cannabinoids like THC, CBD, CBG, CBC. Look at old videos that will explain these cannabinoids. Have you ever wondered why some cannabis plants produce higher levels of THC or more CBD? That's because of genetic variations. Breeders carefully select seeds with certain traits to create different strands. Some strands are relaxing, while other strands are energizing. It all comes down to the genes inside the seeds. Cannabis shares some genetic similarities with other plants, like tomatoes and hops. That's because all plants have DNA made up of the same basic building blocks, just arranged in different ways. So next time you see a tiny cannabis seed, remember it holds all the genetic information needed to grow into a fully developed plant. DNA is truly amazing. Flowers, too, rely on seeds to perpetuate their beauty and biodiversity. The vibrant bloom of a sunflower turns to face the sun, but its true legacy is in the spiral pattern of seeds that form at its center, each one capable of growing another towering stalk. Wildflowers like cannabis, lupines, and poppies burst open in meadows and prairies, their seeds dropping to the soil or hitching ride on passing animals. Even trees, the lungs of the planet, begin with seeds. Mighty oaks rise from tiny acorns. Giant sequoias, some of the largest living organisms on Earth, sprout from seeds smaller than a dime. These seeds not only generate plant life, but support entire ecosystems, providing habitat and nourishment to birds, mammals, insects, and of course, human beings. Ultimately, seeds are more than biological units. They are cultural heritage, ecological guardians, and the embodiment of possibility. To hold a seed in your hand is to hold the promise of tomorrow, the story of the past, and the pulse of the planet. It is a powerful reminder that life always begins with the smallest of things. In nurturing seeds, we nurture life itself. As we look forward to healing the earth and building sustainable futures, we must remember that everything we hope for grows physically, spiritually, or culturally starts with a seed. We hope you found today's video informative. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and stay updated on our latest content. For more exciting insights, be sure to check out our brother channel at WWP Logistics. Thank you for your time, and see you in the next video.